Authority meteorologist Jennifer Correa is keeping up with a tropical wave.
On that thing.
And it looks like it's already trying to sneak in here, Jen.
Yes, well, it's definitely going to be tracking towards the Florida Straits as it continues to turn right between the central Bahamas and Cuba. Now, because the sun is up, daytime heating is occurring right now. You could see that it looks a bit more impressive than it did earlier this morning on the infrared satellite. That's a good indication of some convective activity. This is still relatively strong tropical wave, but thankfully not a named storm as we were expecting the past few days, actually last week, and that was due to the fact that the models were really showing an aggressive system consistently throughout several days in a row. And the other concerning situation was the tracks. Now let's talk about the formation potential because that has lowered. Again, we're not expecting a named storm. This is very good news. We could have been hit with something a bit more powerful. Now that formation potential is 20% for the next 2 days. Here's a look at the latest model track, still taking it out to the Gulf of Mexico, where it will have a better chance for formation, swinging it back over into central Florida and then the western Atlantic. GFS model shows that it is still an open circulation right over the lower Keys and Florida Straits by tomorrow evening. This is Sunday. Elongated means that it's not a tight circulation. It is weak and therefore not expecting intensification. And then for the European model, let's compare this. The timing is just about the same. Sunday around 8 p.m. Actually, the center a little bit more to the south of the Keys. So this, based off of the European model, that means there's going to be more land interaction with Cuba. So that is going to further prevent the intensification for this storm. One thing we know for certain, it is going to bring us some heavy downpours. This will begin later Sunday and continuing on, in fact, even into midweek. But the heaviest of the rain can be expected overnight Sunday into Monday morning. I'll have more details plus our local forecast coming up. Nikki.